Next, Sir Kevin.
Okay, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Kevin Chege. I work for Internet Society, ISOC. I don't have slides, so I'll just talk. My slides were not accepted by the committee, so I'll just talk. I'll talk about two things mainly, capacity building. First of all, let me ask, how many people here have taken ISOC's online course, any online course? Okay, so a few people. Sorry? Oh, you invited them tomorrow. Oh, okay, good. So, Internet Society, we do a lot of capacity building in the region, both technical and non-technical. I'll focus on the technical ones. We do one of the main, or one of our more popular courses is called Introduction to Network Operations. We teach that because we are trying to empower NOGs to have more skilled personnel who can, build networks at a local level. We train. It's a hybrid which takes both theory and hands-on. Those of you who've taken the course will know that the theory. As you take the theory, you'll be required to do some of the hands-on activities. So for the hands-on, we've built a hands-on lab using FreeBSD, and then everyone gets a FreeBSD jail. And over the years, we've trained a number of people. This year, we are at around 1,500 people who have been trained so far from 30 different countries. And we have, I don't train them alone, we have 17 moderators from 11 countries. And 4 of whom are ladies, and we always encourage more ladies to play a part, either in as training as also as trainers. And yeah, we have the course in English and French. You can look forward to a few more courses coming in the near future. We have one that's being built for manners, which is mutually agreed norms for routing security. It'll be a very good training for if you're in an ISP environment or an IXP environment or NREN environment, even university. Basically, if you're doing any type of peering anywhere, if you manage any type of AS number, the manners training is for you. So it's currently theory, but there'll be a lab session very soon, or a lab very soon. And the people building the lab are in this room, so they can tell us when they'll finish. Sanda is the one who's helping us to build the lab. So yeah, capacity building. We hope you enjoy the courses we produce. We're always happy to take in input and feedback. Our local contacts here, there is Manhal, Sarah, and Hiba. Any input that you need, you can send to them or send to me. Lastly, I want to talk about open internet standards. How many of you have heard of the IETF here? Except this group here. How many people have heard of the IETF here? Okay, so IETF, Internet Engineering Task Force, it's an organization, or it's a body that comes up with the internet standards that we use. Some internet standards that may be familiar with you are DNS, BGP, SMTP, and so on. We're trying to encourage more people in the region to play a role in open internet standards. Not really, before you can, many people hear that, try to jump in and get development, get into open internet standards development. But first you need to understand, you need to technically understand the standards before you're able to contribute. So we are running a lot of initiatives, or a lot of activities under the initiative to get people more involved in open standards. We have a mailing list, IETF_Africa at ISOC at elists.isoc.org. How many of you are on that list here? Anyone on that list? Okay, at least one person here. So we'll find a way to share that URL. We share information about activities that we are planning and events that we're doing. And I'll close by saying that the next IETF meeting is November 3rd to 9th. We're encouraging those who are at a favorable time zone with Bangkok, which is the venue of the IETF, to organize a viewing hub. What's a viewing hub? Viewing hub is just what's here. Then you have a projector that's showing one session, and then people in the room can follow the session. What's that? Why would you want to do a viewing hub? One is to expose more people to what's going on at the ITF, because most people don't know what's happening and that you can actually play a role. That's one activity. Second, we're also trying to do more hands-on activities. We've done what are called hackathons. We've done 2. We did one last year in Nairobi, one this year in, where were we? In Dakar. And these are hands-on sessions to get you involved with trying to develop open standards and work as a team. So if you need more information on that, I'll direct you to our ISOC chapter here, or Hiba, Manhal, and Sarah. Was that 5 minutes? Just 5 minutes. Any questions for me? Nope. Good. Thank you.